Hello everybody, welcome to Me Paintings. I'm Veronica Me, and today's tutorial will be a little bit different because I'll be creating this abstract acrylic painting inspired by beautiful garden colors and shapes. As you can see, I'm starting by creating an interesting background for my abstraction. I use some cerulean blue and maybe also a little bit of viridian green, which I mix together and create an interesting shades of colors. I'm using my big brush, which is good when I want to create a big painting. So I'm just putting some white there, some darker shades of blue and green. And I also sprayed some water on the top of my painting, and it creates this interesting structure on my painting. And now when it's wet, I'm trying to make some mark making and create interesting shades of colors. I'm already thinking about the garden shapes and flowers, so I try to make the bottom green and the top blue because that's the sky and the grass on the bottom, and some flowers in the middle. I'm also trying to make some mark making with the top of my brush, and now some clouds. So it's good if you make loads of interesting shapes in your background because it creates this interesting feeling in your abstraction. I already started to add some details there. Yeah, these are already some flowers, shapes of flowers, and I'm adding some purple and magenta. I tried to choose, I'm also using these wooden pencils, which are great tool for mark making. It's nice if you make lots of little marks here and there, and it adds the interest to your painting. And as I said before, I try to choose the colors which complements each other very well and creates a harmony on my painting. I was sitting in the garden and just watching everything. This is the marker, acrylic marker, which is also a great tool for some mark making and creating interesting shapes. My mom, she's got this round place in her garden, and there are flowers in the middle of the round thing, so that inspired me to create this shape. Acrylic markers are great because you can create very thin lines and interesting shapes. Yeah, as you can see, I'm creating these round circles, and this is already a sun. I know it doesn't look like sun at all, but it just inspired me, like the sunset, which creates beautiful harmony in colors. So that's why I painted that shape. And now I'm just gonna let you watch and listen to a nice music. And this is the result of my garden flower abstraction painting. And I'm so in love with this piece. I tried to put some feelings into it. These symbolize the sun rays. These are the beautiful flowers which you can find in the garden. I also made these vertical and horizontal lines. So I wanted to keep my abstraction in balance. And these are the sun rays and sun and clouds, which you can see on a beautiful day on the sky. So many details going on in this abstraction. And if you'd like to show me your abstraction or your paintings, you can join my Facebook group, which is called Create With Me, and show us your beautiful art. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I can't wait to see you again. Bye!